Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add automatic numbering in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with table. Now I add automatic numbering in this table. At first you have to select a column to drag on your mouse. Now you can see here are numbers list menu, just press it. Now you can see here are many automatic numbering. Now I choose this one, just press it. Now you can see I add automatic numbering in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.